Okay, so I am now starting recording. Again, this is on the downloading. So here you can see that previous recording has now got a transcript. So I can click the three dots, say update video details, and from here I can download the transcript file as a VTT file. I can also go back to the previous video and say I would like to download the video. This will bring down the VTT file, which contains quite a lot of stuff that can't easily be used. So note confidences, particular codes, and a duration. So what you need to do with this VTT file is use the VTT converter that my colleague Tim Ellis created. And we've also released the code on GitHub, so you can just download this as an HTML file and run it locally. It doesn't even need a server. Just grab the HTML file, put it on your machine, double click it so it opens in a browser, and use that. So I'm going to choose the file from my downloads, open the VTT, click convert and download, and now I have a text file. And as you can see, this has been much simplified, so it just has timestamps that are in a standard format that is readable by CAQDAS software such as CAQDA. One thing I've noted from before is that a Zoom transcript will include the speaker name that somebody gave when they joined the Zoom meeting. So it might be an idea even after the cleanup to do the search and replace at that stage. So if I go and grab the Zoom transcript, click convert and download, you'll see it still has the name of the speaker. So there is an option within most text editors just to say replace, and I could replace just that with, for example, a participant number would be one of the best things. Anything like that, but it's important to consider that at this stage. You can still edit, but that was really quick just to do a find and replace at this stage. So I now have a text file that is ready, and that can be imported directly. Okay.